So in conclusion, the Agency for Healthcare Research and Quality is concerned with patient safety, tools and training for healthcare employees, and research and data analysis leading to evidence-based medicine practices. Their intention is to improve the quality, safety, effectiveness, and efficiency of healthcare in the United States. The agency also notes that health literacy is important for patients to participate in autonomous treatment. They want practices across the U.S. to be proficient in spoken communication, written communication, and they want them to promote self-management and empowerment of patients. So, for example, they'll create a pamphlet that instructs a practice how to deal with patients from a different culture, and if they refuse treatment and stuff, how to deal with that situation. They'll also tell practices how to best write a form so that patients are not confused by the text on it.